We meet at evening time. 'Tis sweet at evening time, when I can spend an hour or two just with you. And when the hour grows late, I love to hesitate. Oh, the moment seems so fleeting, while I am here repeating.
Stars shining bright above you, night breezes seem to whisper I love you, birds singing in the sycamore tree, dream a little dream of me. Say nighty night and kiss me, just hold me tight and tell me you miss me, while I'm alone and blue as can be, dream a little dream of me. Stars fading, but I linger on, dear, still craving your kiss. I'm longing to linger till dawn, dear, just saying this. Sweet dreams till sunbeams find you, sweet dreams that leave your worries behind you. But in your dreams, whatever they be, dream a little dream.
Dream a little scheme.
Dream a little dream.